Hey cloud builders, welcome back to Cloud Perceptor, where we can turn cloud concepts into real projects. If you have mastered the AWS basics and you are ready to level up today, I'm walking you through 5 intermediate AWS projects you can build to sharpen your cloud skills in 2025. Let's get into it. Section 1, Event Announcement System. So first up, an announcement system. This project lets users to subscribe event notifications by email, view a list of events, and create new ones. You will use S3 to host your event data, SNS to send email notifications, Lambda to process the logic, and API gateway to expose your API endpoint securely, all governed by IAM roles. So it usually takes around 2 to 3 hours to build this solution, and the cost is kind of free if you are using AWS free tier. Number two, we have data pipeline for processing the CSV files. So basically, if you see, this is a serverless data pipeline for processing CSV files. This is great for automating data ingestion, transformation, and visualization. You will drop a CSV file into S3, use Lambda and AWS Glue to process and clean the data and visualize everything in Amazon QuickSight. This is perfect for showcasing data engineering skills, and it would cost you around $0.50 to $1 for light sale workloads. Okay, and the time it will usually take is kind of 3 to 4 hours. Next is automating AWS receipt processing system. So in this project, you know, we'll be extracting structured data from receipts using AWS text extract, save it in DynamoDB, and even email will be processed through Amazon SES. This is an excellent real-world use case of serverless OCR, okay, optical character recognition. It's gonna take you 2 hours, and this is a free tier eligible project. Okay, so moving to the next project, serverless cloud dictionary. Okay, so here we'll be building a serverless cloud dictionary search for cloud related terms and kind of view the definitions instantly. We'll be using AWS Amplify for the front end, Lambda API gateway, and DynamoDB for the backend. The time investment is kind of 2 to 3 hours, and the cost is free tier eligible. Okay, so this is a great portfolio piece to show off your serverless chops. The last one is to-do list with two-tier architecture. Finally, deploy a to-do application using two-tier architecture. You will be spinning up EC2 instances for the web application, host your database in Amazon RDS, and connect everything using an application load balancer inside a VPC. This project sharpens your infrastructure as a service and networking skills. A must if you are preparing for AWS certifications. Okay, so yeah, that's it, and you can start building these projects using the architecture diagram that are being showed over there. And if you need any help, you can connect us on cloudperceptor@gmail.com. So if you're ready to get started, okay, just connect with us and see you next time. Do like and subscribe Cloud Perceptor channel. See you again. Thank you.